Just because you're struggling does not mean that you're failing. Sometimes when your life is full of struggles, you might start having the feeling that maybe you're failing. That is not the case. Struggle is needed in life for things to succeed, for things to be achieved. Without struggle, there's no achievement. At times, when what you're doing is not going through well, you may start feeling that maybe you're failing. No, struggle is part of what is needed. You just have to continue with that struggle so that everything becomes okay.